Chronic kidney disease, or CKD, is a progressive condition that affects millions worldwide. It involves the gradual loss of kidney function over time, often going unnoticed until it reaches advanced stages. Early detection is crucial as it can slow progression and improve patient outcomes. In recent years, the intersection of healthcare and technology has opened new doors for diagnosing and managing CKD. Machine learning, in particular, is proving to be a game changer, offering new ways to analyze complex medical data and provide more accurate diagnoses. In this video, we'll explore how machine learning algorithms are revolutionizing CKD detection and what this means for the future of kidney care. CKD is often called a silent disease because symptoms may not appear until significant kidney damage has occurred. Early detection allows for timely intervention, which can help prevent complications such as cardiovascular disease, diabetes, and hypertension. By identifying CKD in its initial stages, healthcare providers can tailor treatment plans, monitor patient progress, and potentially halt or slow the disease's progression. This is where advanced diagnostic tools and predictive models become invaluable, especially as the global burden of CKD continues to rise. Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence that enables computers to learn from data and make predictions or decisions without being explicitly programmed. In healthcare, machine learning algorithms can analyze vast amounts of patient data, identify patterns, and assist clinicians in making more informed decisions. For CKD, these algorithms can process complex datasets including blood tests, imaging results, and patient histories to detect subtle signs of disease that might be missed by traditional methods. One of the key advancements in CKD diagnosis is the use of image segmentation techniques. By leveraging sophisticated imaging methods like MRI and CT scans, clinicians can precisely identify kidney structures and anomalies. Image segmentation allows for the isolation of specific regions within medical images, making it easier to spot abnormalities such as cysts, tumors, or structural changes associated with CKD. This technology enhances the accuracy of diagnosis and supports better treatment planning. CKD doesn't develop in isolation. Several risk factors contribute to its onset and progression, including diabetes, hypertension, and cardiovascular disease. By understanding these risk factors, clinicians can better identify individuals at higher risk and implement preventive strategies. Machine learning models can analyze patient data to uncover hidden relationships between these factors and CKD, enabling more targeted screening and early intervention. The foundation of any machine learning project is quality data. For CKD detection, relevant medical datasets are gathered, including patient demographics, test results, and diagnostic records. Key features such as blood pressure, age, and serum creatinine levels are especially important. Collecting comprehensive and accurate data ensures that the machine learning models have the information they need to make reliable predictions. Maximize the predictive power of machine learning models. Feature engineering is essential. Techniques like the variance inflation factor (VIF) help refine the dataset by highlighting the most relevant features and reducing redundancy. Additionally, encoding categorical variables and normalizing numerical data ensure that the models can interpret the information effectively. These steps are crucial for building robust and accurate diagnostic tools. Medical datasets often suffer from class imbalance, where one group is overrepresented compared to others. In CKD detection, this can lead to biased models that perform poorly on minority classes. To address this, techniques like synthetic minority oversampling technique (SMOT) are used. SMOT generates synthetic examples to balance the dataset, ensuring fairer representation and more reliable model performance. Once the data is preprocessed and balanced, it's divided into training and testing sets. The training set is used to teach the machine learning algorithms to recognize patterns associated with CKD, while the testing set evaluates how well the models perform on new, unseen data. This process helps ensure that the models can generalize their predictions beyond the initial dataset. Support vector machine, or SVM, is a powerful classification algorithm used in CKD detection. It works by finding the optimal boundary that separates different classes within the data. In this study, SVM achieved an impressive accuracy rate, demonstrating its effectiveness in distinguishing between CKD and non-CKD cases. SVM's ability to handle complex, high-dimensional data makes it a valuable tool in medical diagnostics. Logistic regression is another widely used algorithm for binary classification problems like CKD detection. It estimates the probability that a given input belongs to a particular class. In the context of CKD, logistic regression analyzes clinical features to predict the likelihood of disease presence. The model's performance is evaluated using metrics such as accuracy, precision, recall, and F1 score, providing a comprehensive view of its diagnostic capabilities. Decision trees are intuitive models that mimic human decision-making processes. They split the data into branches based on feature values, ultimately leading to a classification outcome. For CKD detection, decision trees provide clear, interpretable results, making them popular among clinicians. Their ability to handle both numerical and categorical data adds to their versatility in medical applications. Random forest is an ensemble learning method that combines multiple decision trees to improve prediction accuracy. By aggregating the results of several trees, random forest reduces the risk of overfitting and enhances model robustness. In CKD detection, this approach achieved near-perfect accuracy, highlighting its strength in handling complex medical datasets and delivering reliable diagnostic outcomes. Artificial neural networks, or ANN, are inspired by the human brain's structure. They consist of interconnected layers of nodes that process information and learn complex relationships within the data. In CKD detection, ANNs can capture subtle patterns that may be missed by traditional algorithms. While their accuracy in this study was slightly lower than random forest, they remain a powerful tool for medical diagnostics. Each machine learning algorithm brings unique strengths to CKD detection. In this study, the accuracy rates were as follows: SVM at 98%, Logistic Regression at 67%, Decision Tree at 99%, Random Forest at 100%, and ANN at 75%. These results highlight the importance of selecting the right model for the task and the potential of ensemble methods like random forest to deliver superior performance in medical diagnostics. To assess the effectiveness of each model, several performance metrics are used. Accuracy measures the overall correctness, precision indicates the proportion of true positives among predicted positives, recall reflects the ability to identify all actual positives, and F1 score balances precision and recall. These metrics provide a comprehensive view of how well each algorithm performs in CKD detection. Beyond traditional clinical data, integrating multiomic data, such as genetic, epigenetic, and environmental information, offers deeper insights into CKD. Molecular profiling studies help clarify the mechanisms behind disease progression and identify novel therapeutic targets. This holistic approach enables more personalized treatment plans and improves our understanding of how comorbidities like hypertension and diabetes interact with CKD. Integration of machine learning into CKD diagnosis is transforming clinical practice. With more accurate and timely detection, clinicians can develop personalized treatment strategies, stratify patient risk profiles, and monitor disease progression more effectively. Ultimately, these advancements lead to better patient outcomes and a more efficient healthcare system. While machine learning offers tremendous promise, challenges remain. Ensuring data quality, addressing privacy concerns, and validating models in diverse populations are ongoing priorities. Future research will focus on developing functional products for CKD identification and integrating real-world data to further enhance diagnostic accuracy. Collaboration between clinicians, data scientists, and engineers will be key to overcoming these hurdles. Summary: machine learning algorithms such as SVM, logistic regression, decision trees, random forests, and ANNs are proving highly effective in detecting chronic kidney disease. Each model has its strengths, and ensemble methods like random forests stand out for their exceptional accuracy. The integration of advanced data processing techniques and multiomic insights is paving the way for more precise and personalized CKD care. As technology continues to evolve, the role of machine learning in healthcare will only grow. For CKD and other chronic diseases, these tools offer hope for earlier detection, better management, and improved patient outcomes. By embracing innovation and fostering interdisciplinary collaboration, we can look forward to a future where chronic kidney disease is detected and treated more effectively than ever before.